Welcome to Paraphrasing Strategies, and this is our 5th lesson. We're going to look at strategy number 5, which is using retelling and chunking methods to paraphrase. So the learning outcome for this session would be that by the end of this lesson, you will be able to use retelling and chunking methods when paraphrasing. Paraphrasing using retelling and chunking involves breaking down texts into smaller units called chunks and then re-expressing the meaning of each chunk in your own words. Essentially retell the information in a new way. This approach is useful for understanding and summarizing complex passages. So let's look at how to do the chunking method. The first step is to definitely read and understand the text. You can begin by reading the original text and ensuring a thorough understanding. Then you start to break the text into chunks. Divide the text into smaller, meaningful segments, often grammatical clauses or phrases. Next, you can reword each chunk. Rephrase each chunk in your own words using synonyms or different expressions. And finally, you can combine and paraphrase. Combine and paraphrase the rewritten chunks to form new paraphrased versions while preserving the original meaning. So after all this is done, be sure to check and refine your work. Compare the paraphrase to the original to ensure accuracy and clarity and make any necessary adjustments. Now we move on to retelling and paraphrasing. Retelling is a form of paraphrasing that involves re-expressing the information in your own words, often focusing on main ideas and key details. It is a valuable strategy for improving comprehension and memory. So why does this approach work? First is improved comprehension. Breaking down complex text into smaller chunks makes it easier to understand each part individually. Then we also have enhanced recall. Rewording the information in your own words helps solidify it in your memory. Accurate paraphrasing means that by rephrasing each chunk, you are less likely to accidentally copy the original wording, thus avoiding plagiarism. And lastly, it is a versatile technique. So this method can be adapted to various types of texts, sentences, and all kinds of paragraphs. So level yourself up by trying the exercises provided in this module. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.